So there is a bunch of Supras at the show this year. Controversial or not, it's just what happens. It's the same for the 86 last year and it's a Supra this year. But just how many? 1 Supra, 2 Supra, 3 Supra, 5 Supra, 6 Supra, 6 Supra, 7 Supra, 8 Supra, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 Supra, 17 Supra. Now I know that doesn't add up. As I walk past the Toyota stand, I spotted a few more. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22, 25, 4, shit, 25, 27, 28. I've actually lost count now, so I'm just going to put the number right here. Whatever number that is. And whatever number that is. One more. There's another. So I lost count, and I also know that THROTL did this same video. I filmed this a couple of days ago, but I dropped the ball on editing it. That's my fault. So props to THROTL for doing the same thing and a lot more accurate. And I also just want to get across that I have no problem with that many Supras being here. It is what it is. It's a fantastic car. It's just funny to ride the wave of content creation. Until next time.